Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start next chapter. My parents kept me from children who were rough from the same unit Childhood Blues. As I told you, the meaning of blue is unpleasant memory or experience. So this poem again shares one of the unpleasant memories of the poet Stephen Spender. So let's start. My parents kept me from children who were rough and who threw words like stones and who wore torn clothes. Their thighs showed through rags. They ran in the street and climbed cliffs and stripped by the country streams. I feared more than tigers their muscles like iron, and their jerking hands and their knees tight on my arms. I feared the salt course pointing of those boys who copied my lisp behind me on the road. They were lithe, they sprang out behind hedges like dogs to bark at our world. They threw mud and I looked another way, pretending to smile. I longed to forgive them, yet they never smiled. Let me give you meaning of some hard words. Rough here means mannerless or uneducated children. Words like stones, you can say abusive words, sharp or stingy words they used to use for the poet. Next, cliffs, small mountains, rags, torn clothes, stripped, naked, streams, small rivers, jerking hands, rough handling, coarse, salt coarse means as coarse or as rough as salt. Lisp, improper speech. Lithe, tall and elegant. Hedges, bushes. Longed, desired. Pretending, showing off. Now let me explain you the poem. The poem by Stephen Spender is a blue or unpleasant experience of his childhood. He shares that his parents always kept him away from the children who were rough or mannerless. They inflicted sharp and stingy words on him. In other words, they were very impolite to him. Most of them wore torn clothes and their thighs could be seen through rags. They ran in the street recklessly. They climbed up the cliffs and sometimes were seen naked by the country river. In the second stanza, the poet says that he was afraid of them more than any other wild animal. They would grip him with their jerking hands and strong knees. They were as coarse as salt, who made fun of his improper speech. The poet says that the children were tall and often jumped out of the bushes like dogs to bark at their enemies. They threw mud on him when he was lost in his thoughts. Sometimes he pretended to smile at them and desired to forgive them, but they never smiled back.